In this video, I'll explain what CBD crystals are and the 3 different forms in which you can get CBD crystals. I'll then explain the 4 different ways in which you can use CBD crystals, and in the description box below I'll give you step-by-step instructions so that you can confidently do this yourself at home. So, as a member of the Cannabis Trades Association, I do need to let you know that we do sell CBD here in the UK as a food supplement only, so I make no medicinal claims whatsoever in this video. So I do hope you like this video. If you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so that you can learn, live and share your CBD journey with me. Let's get into the video. So, what exactly are CBD crystals? Well, CBD crystals is just a cannabis concentrate that has been extracted from a low THC, non-psychoactive hemp plant. Usually it's an industrial hemp plant. Now, there are several different ways in which this can be done. It can be done with butane gas, it can be done with alcohol, it can be done with rosin, press extraction, but the cleanest and purest form of extraction is supercritical CO2 extraction. And that is because it requires no additional solvents. So when you're choosing a CBD product, a CBD crystal product, what you want to make sure is that first and foremost it's being manufactured in a GMP facility. That is good manufacturing process, and that's a global recognised certification. You also want to make sure that it's, preferably organic, or if not organic, at least it's free of pesticides. You also want to make sure it's free of any residual solvents and that it's got no heavy metals in there as well. So you can check this because a good CBD supplier will have had their CBD product tested at a third-party laboratory. So, there are 3 different forms of CBD crystals that you can buy. The first is CBD Crystal Isolate. Now, all this is, it's just isolated CBD that's been extracted from the cannabis plant. That's all it is, it's just CBD on its own. And it usually comes in a fine white powdery sort of consistency. And it will say something along the lines of 99% pure CBD or 98% pure CBD. The second form of CBD crystals are CBD Wax Crumble. Now, CBD Wax Crumble, when it's extracted from the cannabis plant, it's extracted also with the essential fatty oils and also the terpenes from the cannabis plant. So it does mean that the terpenes are what make the cannabis plant smell and taste the way that it does. So it does mean that if you choose a wax crumble, you can have variety in the way that it tastes and smells. The third form of CBD crystals is shatter. Now, shatter is a process of extraction that uses butane gas to extract it. So it makes it into like a glass type consistency. So if you were to drop it on the floor, it would shatter, hence the name shatter. There are 4 ways in which you can use CBD crystals. The first way is by mixing it with an e-liquid. Love Hemp suggests mixing 200 milligrams of CBD crystals with 10 ml of e-liquid. Now, they recommend a 70 PG to 30 VG ratio split. Now, PG and VG oils can be bought very, very cheaply from Amazon. I've put the links in the description box below. So you would just use, if you were doing a 10 ml bottle of e-liquid, you would use 7 ml of PG and 3 ml of VG. Then all you do is you get an airtight container, an airtight bottle, and you put the liquids into that with the 200 milligram of crystals. Make sure it's an airtight container, seal it up, and then you're going to put it in some hot water. Now, the water needs to be 60 degrees Celsius or around about that. Now, if you don't have a thermometer at home and you're guessing, Then water is boiled at 100 degrees Celsius, that's when it hits boiling point. 60 degrees Celsius, if you were to get in the shower and it was 60 degrees, it would burn. So you want it to be hot, but not boiling. So place it in the water and leave it there for about 10 minutes, and that's just so that the crystals dissolve into the liquid. Now, I would suggest using CBD Isolate for this form, and if you do, then you may want to add a food flavouring to it as well. There are some people that will use Wax Crumble in an e-liquid, but the difficulty with this is that it will be a thicker liquid, a thicker consistency, and it can mean that it can clog up the coil in your e-cigarette. The second way to use CBD crystals is by adding them to a carrier oil. So you can use olive oil, coconut oil, hemp seed oil, and we would recommend using the desired amount of crystals, so as an example 1000 milligrams of crystals into 10 ml of your preferred oil. All you would do is you would put them into an airtight bottle, the liquid and the crystals, and then you would put it in some hot water and heat it to 60 degrees Celsius, just so that the crystals can dissolve into the oil. The third way in which you can use CBD crystals is by making your own CBD edibles, and it's really simple to do this. All you would do is you would get some butter and melt the butter down. Do it very on the lowest heat, let the butter just gently melt. Then add the CBD crystals, the desired amount, into the butter. Wait while it dissolves, and then you can use it to make cookies or delicious cakes, or even if you just want to put a little bit of butter onto your toast in the morning. It's a great way to get CBD into your body. The fourth and the final way to use CBD crystals is by dabbing them. And dabbing CBD crystals is where you would use a specific dab rig, a specific pipe that is for dabbing, because what the dab rig will do is it will vaporise the crystals, so that you can inhale the vapour. Now, with this method you can use CBD Wax Crumble, you can use the shatter, or you can use CBD Isolate. Thank you for watching this video. I do hope that you've enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss my next video, which will be my first time dabbing CBD crystals. So, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.